Are you going to start a PCB or PCBA project? Please wait a moment. Maybe this video can help you. When your products are shipped out, you must check the quality of your products, right? As we know, usually the terminal buyers inspect their products by installing these products in their factory. We won't mention this method in this video. Here we will talk about another method. Taking the case of a factory as an example. These people introduce two common methods. First, PCBA test rack. Each connects the patch or test point on the PCB through the metal probe. When the PCB is turned on, it contains the temperature values such as voltage value and current value of the test circuits. So, as to observe whether the tested circuit is connected normally. The second is the software boring, which is used to test whether the function of PCBA software can work normally. These two test methods are generally carried out after all factory products pass AOI test, X-ray test. So, thank you for your watching. For me learning more about PCBA.